Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Vijayta online classes here. Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are understanding the classes sessions here. Let us see here. In the previous class, we have learned here introduction of the C and the translators we have learned. How many types of translators we have here? Three types of translators we have: compiler, interpreter and assembler. And then let us see here, if you wanted to learn a language, C language, first of all you have to learn the alphabets, digits, symbols and special characters, right? In the same way, these alphabets, digits, symbols we are going to be call it as here character set. In the C language we are going to be call it as here character set. A character set of C represents alphabets, digits or any symbols used to represent the information, and let us see here uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, digits 0 to 9, symbols, special symbols, all these symbols here, and white spaces, tab, next line, single space. These are all we are going to be used as, these are all we are going to be called as here character set. We are going to be call it as here character set. మనం ఎలా అయితే ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకునేటప్పుడు ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటామో ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం సి లాంగ్వేజ్ టు లెర్న్ ద సి లాంగ్వేజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ ద క్యారెక్టర్ సెట్. You have to learn the character set. Character set means here uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, special symbols and white spaces. Uppercase letters, uppercase alphabets A to Z, lowercase alphabets A to Z, small a to Z, digits 0 to 9 and special symbols. These are known as here at the rate, brackets, open curly, closed curly, less than symbol, greater than symbol, minus, plus, into, and all these are known as here special symbols. And white spaces is nothing but here space, single space, space ఒక వర్డ్కి ఇంకొక వర్డ్కి స్పేస్ కావాలి అన్న, ట్యాబ్ ఒక లైన్ నుంచి ఇంకో లైన్కి జంప్ చేయాలన్న ట్యాబ్, నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మూవ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద next line. Is it clear all of you? And let us see here, the C does not uses every character set as a key found on modern computer. The only characters that C language uses for its program as follows: A to Z alphabets, small a to Z alphabets, 0 to 9, spaces, plus, minus, addition, subtraction. All these we are going to be learn. All these we are going to be learn in the character set. Before going to be learn about the C language, first of all you have to know the character set. You have to know the character set. The character set is nothing but collection of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, special symbols and white spaces. Once again I am repeating here: uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, special symbols and white spaces. Special symbols and white spaces. Okay, let us see this slide here. The character set of C language. The character set of the C language. In this character set of the C language here, character set in the C language, there are we have source character set. The source character sets is grouped into following categories: alphabets, digits, special characters and white spaces. Alphabets is comes under the uppercase letters and lowercase letters. And let us see, these uppercase letter A is converted into 65, B is converted into 66, up to Z is converted into 90. That means A is there. When we are typing the A, it converted into 65 and these 65 is converted into zeros and ones. అప్పుడు మనం 65 అంటే ఏంటి A అనమాట, 66 అంటే ఏంటి B అనమాట, 67 అంటే ఏంటి C అనమాట. అట్లనే Z వచ్చేంత వరకు 90. And next here lowercase letters, small a means here 97, B means here 98, up to small z is here 122. And next here digits, 0 means here 48, 1 means here 49, 2 means here 50, 9 up to 9 is here 57. It converted into like this. Exclamatory mark is 32. Quotation is here 34. Number sign is known as here 35. Dollar is known as here 36. Percentile is known as here 37. Ampersand is known as 38. Left parenthesis 40. Right parenthesis 41. Star asterisk is known as 42. Plus is known as here 43. అట్లా కన్వర్ట్గా చేసుకుంటుంది. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే స్టార్ ఏ అని నొక్కుతామో 64గా తీసుకుంటుంది. జెడ్ అని నొక్కుతామనుకో 64కి 25 లెటర్స్ ఏమో 77గా తీసుకుంటుంది. అలా తీసుకుంటుంది. డాట్ అని నొక్కామనుకో దెన్ ఇట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ హియర్ 44. ఇట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ లైక్ దిస్ హియర్. And next here all these special characters, every character will have a unique number. Regarding to this unique number, it converted into 0 sign once. It converted into 0 sign once. Okay, let us see white spaces. /b /l /n అంటే next line, /f అంటే next floor, /o means here null, /v means here vertical bar, /t means here horizontal tab, this means here comma means here single quotation, /r means here written, /a means here alarm, /question mark here question mark. Is it clear? It going to be taken as here like this here. Execution character set. Certain ANSI character set unprintable, which means they are not displayed on the screen or a printer. ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ సెట్ 65, 64, 67 అవి ప్రింట్ అవ్వవు. ఓన్లీ కంప్యూటర్ అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి ఆ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ నెంబర్స్ని తీసుకొని అది 0s and 1sగా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటుంది. యూ కెన్ నో హౌ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. బైనరీ టు decimal number to binary number, how it going to be converted by 2, right? LCM. And the execution of the character set allows to represented by the combination of / and followed by the character. These characters are the combinations are called space sequence. Okay, see here, these are known here. You have to understand here what is mean by how the A is converted into 65, because the ANSI value is here 65. A కి ఎప్పుడు 65 నెంబర్ అలాట్ అయి ఉంటుంది, బికి ఎప్పుడు 66 ఉంటుంది, సికి ఎప్పుడు 67 ఉంటుంది. మీ హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ ఎప్పుడు 3 ఇయర్స్ అదే నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా. దట్ మీన్స్ యు ఆర్ బేసికల్లీ with the help of number you can easily identify the person. In the same way, the A is given allotted the special set ANSI value assigned to A is known as here 65, and B value is assigned to 66. B value is assigned to 66. These are known as here ANSI values. The character set is divided into alphabets, digits, special characters and white spaces. Special characters and white spaces. Alphabets means it contains of uppercase letters and lowercase letters, and digits it contains of 0 to 9. Special characters means here asterisk, left braces, right braces, a dollar, all these are known as here special characters. White spaces is known as here one cursor is going to be moved to the word ki word మధ్యలో space కావాలంటే you want white spaces, and the cursor I wanted to change it to the next line, then I have to use here next line cursor. These are all are known as here white spaces. These are all are known as here white spaces. Is it clear all of you? That means here, see here, the C has its own vocabulary and the grammar. The characters that can be used to form a words, numbers and expressions depend upon the computer on which the program is run. The character in a C are grouped into the following 2 categories. Okay, that means here this is not important. Here the source of character set are here. Character set అంటే ఏంటి? Alphabets, digits, special characters and white spaces ఉన్న వాటిని ఏమంటాం మనం? క్యారెక్టర్ సెట్ అంటాము. క్యారెక్టర్ సెట్. ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? అప్పర్ కేస్ లెటర్స్, లోవర్ కేస్ లెటర్స్. డిజిట్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? 0 to 9. స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ స్పెషల్లీ. దట్ మీన్స్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్, కామా, ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ మార్క్, డాలర్ మార్క్, లెస్ దెన్ బ్రాకెట్, క్లోజ్డ్ బ్రాకెట్, and white spaces is known as here. And next here For the uppercase letter A, capital A, the value ANSI value, American Standard Code Institute or Institute, the standard code is going to be given. That code is known as here 65. B is here 66. C is here 67. D is known as 68 until Z to 90. Is it clear? And the small 97. చూడండి స్మాల్ కి క్యాపిటల్ కి ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ తేడా ఉంది అక్కడ 90 అయితే ఇక్కడ 97 మధ్యలో we have here 6. okay, these all are known as here character set. okay, hope you all are understanding. Thank you.